So how do you get started on your path to learning how to paint really well so you feel confident and can go and knock out a painting a week or several paintings a week if you want? Well, the first thing you need to do is give yourself permission to have a go. That's the thing that's the most priceless, and it has to happen in you, that you decide it's time. And a lot of us have trouble doing that because we're so busy looking after everybody else, and we're very accustomed to putting ourselves last. But it is time to prioritize if you really want to have these skills for the rest of your life and something to do for the rest of your life that you really enjoy and connect with. And it can really reinvent you in many ways. To see so much more color in everything, then you need to put yourself first, back yourself, and just put it out there that this is your time and it's time to get this sorted out. So if you want to do that and you want to come and learn with me, Jacqueline Coates, I've been teaching for over 30 years and I do workshops across Australia and New Zealand and even in France. So you can join me in a number of locations, and I teach you how to paint from scratch. So you've probably seen the videos of my students, total newbies, a lot of them, stepping out with work that looks as good as this, because I teach them a no-fail method of painting so that they don't have to worry about failing, because I teach them how to handle the paint, how to mix the colors, how to build the painting in layers so you don't have to do everything all at once, the brushes to use so that you can save time, so you don't get caught down a rabbit hole and not going anywhere. And I'm there with all my compassionate help and tips and loads of demos, plus we always have great lunches as well. There's the camaraderie of the group and the support, and everybody finishes with 2 stunning paintings after 5 days. And I know you're going to love it. So if you want to give yourself permission and you want to start putting yourself first, join me and have a look at the dates below. Okay, see you soon.